after this we will work on words problem based on exercise 3.6. Question number second, third part, it's very important. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and speed of the bus. Let speed of the train equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of the bus equal to y kilometer per hour according to question. In first condition they are saying 300 km is total distance. So 60 km by train, 60 by x. If 60 by train, then by bus 240 plus 240 upon y. Total time taken 4 hours. Y 60 by x, 60 is distance, x is speed. Distance upon speed is time taken by train. Here distance covered by bus 240, y 240, 300 minus 60, 240 by y speed. So time taken by bus. This is time taken by train, this is time taken by bus. Total time is 4 hours. In second condition they are saying 100 km by train, 100 by x, then 100 by train, remaining one of bus, 200 upon y. 10 minutes longer means 4 plus 10 minutes. Take change in hour by 60. 4 plus 1 by 6 means 6 LCM, 24 plus 1 you will get 25 by 6. So mention here you can mention this one distance upon speed is equal to time. After this, now question become easy for you. Here you can put 1 by x equal to m and 1 by y equal to n. Mention this one as 1. This one you can put, then you will get 60m plus 240n equal to 4. This one you can mention as second. And in this, if you will put 1 by xm, you will get 100m plus 200n equal to 25 by 6. Mention this as 3. Now you will use any method. Here I am using elimination method. So we can write by elimination method. By elimination method, operate here by 10 you can multiply 10 into second minus 6 into third. So if by 10 you can multiply, so you will get 600m plus 2400n equal to 40. By 6 you can multiply on both sides in third, then you will get 600 m plus 1200 n, 25 by 6 into 6, you will get 25 because 6 cancel with 6. Minus, they are using change sign, minus minus minus. M cancel, M term is cancelled. 2400 minus 1200, 1200 n. Here you will get 15, n equal 15 by 1200, 80, 1 by 80. Put the value of n equal to 1 by 80 in second. Second, you can put 60 m plus 240 into n means 1 by 80 equal to 4. 83 are 60 m equal to 4 minus 3. 60 m equal to 1. M equal 1 by 60. Now put the value of m and n in first. Here 1 by x equal to m means 1 by 60 and 1 by y equal to n, 1 upon 80. Cross multiply, x you will get 60 and y you will get 80. Therefore required speeds are train speed 60 km per hour and bus speed 80 km per hour. This is your answer. Similarly, you will work on remaining question and especially you can work on example number 19 3 times. Example number 19 3 times you will solve.